All right, let's work on our 3/4 shimmy going up. This one, I like to think that it's making an L shape on each side. So it's going up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out with the hips. So we're gonna start with this hip. We're going to squeeze to lift the hip. We're gonna drop the hip down, and then we're gonna shift our weight out onto this leg and push the hip out to the side. Now we're gonna take this hip up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out. So you can see that L shape that I'm talking about there. Boom. Up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out. Now I am fully shifting my weight here, here. Lift, drop, shift your weight. Lift, drop, shift your weight. Lift, drop, shift, and push the hip out to the side. Boom, 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 boom. This one, as you speed it up, feels swingy. I'm about to lose my scarf. It feels swingy. And I like this one because it just feels very joyous to me as you start to get it up faster. And you can walk with it again wherever you shift your weight and wherever you can step onto a foot for shifting your weight, you can walk with it. So we can walk with this happy little up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out. And it still has that same distinctive pattern of 1, 2, 3 with a teeny little pause in it. So you want to make sure as you're practicing these, again, go slowly until you get the mechanics in your body and it feels natural. Practice until you can't get it wrong, then speed it up. Up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see what's happening in the side here. Up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out. So this is all happening right under the rib cage. Up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out. And as you speed it up, you can take it wider, you can take it narrower, whatever you want to do. But that is a 3/4 shimmy going up.